Hi. Today I have got a topic of ensuring effective distribution by stockist operation and management. I am Anup Minj from Ranchi. Let us start with the slides. Basically, I have made only three slides, and lastly the conclusion is there. So I'd like to quickly cover up my all the points. In fact, so effective distribution network. First of all, it is a first requirement of successful sales ahead, like CNF, stockist, retailer, and doctors counters. So coverage, the stockist should have the coverage, the CFA, stockist, retailer, and these all fellow distribution business partners should have a coverage in all major chemist counters and main market. In fact, if it is in up country, it is well and good. So it will be in come in work in few in some of the cases also. Now, strong line managers or salesperson, the delivery boy should be there who goes for the delivery part also and who takes the order also from there. So sufficient in numbers, they must be insufficient in numbers for the stockist, so that they can cover all the route, patch, and all the areas clusters. The stockist should be all days open. If one day closed in Sunday or all something like that, so maximum days open, and he should open as per the requirement also. So he must be ready to serve in emergency. In some of the cases, like recently, one incident came that in at night 9 o'clock, some major distributor, some major retailer called a stockist, and that is stockist. At night he came, he opened his shutter, and he gave that product to the retailer. So this much of serving mentality must be also there for the stockist part. He must maintain the sufficient inventory as per the requirement. He may have good business with the leading stores, and definitely fast and quick delivery services must be there. With reorder or POB with the lineman, he must be coordinated in that way. The staff should be trained and good behavior with the honor also. So this was effective distribution system. It must be which I talked about. Now come to the stockist operation part. So the stockist must have definitely a sufficient stocks available at their stock points according to the requirement to the market. As a stockist, he must check the stocks and sales statements also and do his own analysis that whether the reorder is been there or not, what is the inventory stock. So he must be interested in the business. So this must the operation part is there. He must be a sound financial party if he is having a catering over nursing homes, hospitals, small institutions. So it would be good for us to serve those small places also. Now, the site of payment, some stockists are having 7 to 14 days of site. So, if they give site, it is well and good. That's why I told that he must be a sound financial party. Now, he must be business with all his small parties also, and he must have a goodwill that chemists also want to work with them. And they know that they must say that, yeah, wo acha party hai, I should work with him. So he must maintain all temperature and quality assurance and quality control in month on month. Every month he should do the quality control. If he is dealing with injections and syrup and all these refrigerated items also, he must have a quality control system, temperature and fridge. He must have a liberty of discounts at some part of discounts for special facilities to the retailer, and must have stock or product availability counters also. Suppose he must be helping us also, as we have to make some products available in some other chemist, so he must be helping in that way, and may provide lead information also in confidence to the other competitors that in Falana hospital you can go, you can get this lead. So he must be in cooperative in that matter also. So coming to the third part, that is stockist management. So as our business partners, they must have trust in us as a pharma salesperson, as POBs or orders or supply to the parties, direct parties, consumers. If we ask for the supply, they can help us. They can send his fellow with us, and he can make a supply to us and get a payment also from that. So he must respect to the end users, the prescribers, since we are getting the business from them only, the doctors, the prescribers from where we are getting the business. The prescription honor, he should honor the prescription and the urgent in the patient urgency respect also he must do. The stock point must get timely supply by CFA. It is a CFA distribution part. Timely payment, order with check, as our company says, like 30 days company site is there, so he must adhere with the system also, he must follow the system also. That stockist is our of work. In fact, special cases like he must support like ready stocks, maybe for some camps or some other part, or maybe up countries western campaigns if we are going, so he must be supportive in that way. The sales and stock statement on time, we can go and collect this, that is our part of a stockist management, that we can get a sales and stock statement on the timely. Now stockist should not do any duplicacy or substitution of the products or the brands. Now, no overstock or dump stock should be there. As our part, I would not suggest to have a dump stock or any overstock, so that the party may also feel next month he will definitely return back the goods and we will suffer from the business. So he himself comment the payments or supports or POVs delivery quickly. I have completed these three major topics. Now coming to the conclusion, like they are all our business partners. So we need to coordinate with all of them and we need to do our business for the purpose the company has kept us. So CFA, stockists, retailers are our distribution business partners. We must respect them. We are the bridge. We are the bridge for any gaps in between. If there is any gap, we have been kept for there only. Otherwise, what company would have put the this thing from to the doctor, and CFA should give the goods from Patna. Now, what for we are here? We do not have any. If nothing problem is there, why we are here? So if there is some issues, problems, that's why we are in the job, and that's why we have been kept. So we are here to maintain to bridge the gap in between all these channels, and the proper coordination must be made among them for supply and distribution for the business without any hindrance, and the business must not be hampered. A good sales personnel is here for a smooth operation for the businesses in the territory or the area for the area sales manager. Ultimately, the common goal is business and the business achievement, the targets, the accomplishment without any hindrance. So I have completed almost all of the points. Lastly, I would like to definitely say by this video that no stockist management in negative way, only and only ethical business. So thank you. Happy selling. I think I have done with all the points. If some points are lacking, I will try to improve in my next video. So thank you very much for watching me. Thank you.